Hi everyone, it's Louise from Louloupurple. For today's project I'm going to be making another art journal book from cereal boxes. So the difference with this one, we're going to use some material on the spine so that the pages lie flat. So to begin with, just have all your cereal boxes and fold them all in half. For this art journal, we want the brown part of the cereal box facing inwards, and I'm going to be using my double pierced square flags by Sue Wilson, and I'm using this die as a template. So I'm just drawing around the outside edge of the die so that this will be my cut marks, and when I come to do my pages I will use the die on the good paper to stick over the top of that page, and it will fit just right. Once I have cut out all the pages, I then use my Cosmic Shimmer acrylic glue to stick all the pages together. So for this I am using the cereal box with the brown part inside, and I'm just going to place glue on one side of the page and stick the other one on top. So you need to make sure that they're lining up, and you're just going to repeat this process. So you're literally just stacking one page on top of the other, and when you open it up, the brown part is the inside of your book. So I just fiddle around a bit, making sure that the pages are actually in line. So you can do this one page at a time and then let them dry and stick the next one on top, or do a few pages, just stick the two together, let them all dry, excuse me, and then stick them all on top. I have stuck all my pages together. Some of them have come out a little bit wonky, so I'm just going to use my craft knife to cut off all the wonky bits. I'm using a piece of fabric which I have already dyed with some of the multi-surface paint, and I'm just making sure that the piece of fabric is the right size for my book. So as you can see, I'm just folding down the edges. I then use my Cosmic Shimmer acrylic glue, and I'm gluing the flaps down on the fabric first, and then I put loads of acrylic glue onto the spine of my book. I will then place the fabric on top and then stick down each side. Once that has all dried, I then go on to the front and back cover of my book. So this time I'm using the cereal box, so the brown side is facing out and I'm just placing that over the front and back leaf of the book, and again using my Cosmic Shimmer acrylic glue to stick this down. As you can see, once it's all dried, the spine lays flat when you open your book. If you would like to buy any of the products I've used in this video, they will be listed on my website blog post. I will leave a link in the description box below this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Links to my website, Facebook and more will be in the description box below, or click on the end screen at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you got inspired. Bye for now.